I am so excited to unbox this Mystery Pack Spring Edition. Let's just use some scissors. All right, first up, a watercolor block. So this is cold press. And then you can see where you take your pages off after you complete them. I'm going to take this with me on my next plein air trip. That's exciting. Okay. What is this? Unfold. Oh, look. I think this is a sketchbook. Let's see. Oh, it's a square format. I love that. Seven by 7. It's an accordion. Unfold your creativity. This is leather feeling. 300 GSM. And it says front and back 22 pages. Okay. Spring it up. Oh, that's nice. Look at all those beautiful colors. We'll have to swatch these out. A mini palette, travel set. Oh, you have two options. Or I guess you could put your paint in here and use these as your mixing wells. I think that is how it's supposed to be used. Yeah. Porcelain, the porcelain pigment and mixing wells. And I love this little metal carrying case. Nice. And this feels like a big box. Oh, it's greeting cards. Cold press greeting cards. fancy box. Made with love, made to be shared for you with care. Those are cute stickers. Oh, we got more stickers. These look clear. Oh, they are. Can you see? So 2 sets of envelopes. I love that charcoal color. They're little gold label. Oh, and is that trifold? Yeah, it's that feels really, can you hear that? That's thick. That, yes, trifold 8/6. And how many GSMs is this? 300. So you would fold it here. I've got 2 here and here. So you could paint one here, or you could do a whole scene and then send it. These might come in handy, like just go sketch and then send it off. I love this box. It's so nice. I love a good box. This was from my In Motion mystery box, and these were the colors they sent me. So I'm going to undo all of these little paint samples. They're little half pans. Let's take all the covers off these pretty little colors. Lime green. That is definitely a spring green. So to get these out, you just move that back, and then they just pop out like little candies. Let's swatch these out. These travel brushes are also something I got in my last mystery kit. I want everything that they have, so when I order the mystery kit, I know I'm going to get everything I like. Maybe not in the order that I would have originally purchased, but they're like 40% off when you get the mystery pack. So it's actually a really good deal. That is a beautiful blue. Deep olive. This has a lot of pigment. This is lime green. Forest green. Spring yellow. Soft sand. Umber brown. Deep sky. I bet that makes a good green if you mix them. Now that almost looks like Payne's gray when you mix those together. Simply red. Hot orange. Berry pink. Rose purple. I think that's my favorite color. Look how beautiful that is. This palette works so well together. I mean, you could really do a great spring scene with all these beautiful colors. So we have our Spring It Up set color palette. We have our color block. We have the mini palette, an accordion sketchbook, and lastly, our watercolor greeting cards. We can do a project with that together for sure. So I think this was a great value, and I cannot wait to use this color palette on my next plein air adventure. All right, I will see you next week.